Hi guys and welcome to another video. I'm Mami Sampigleta and I'm a mommy vlogger and blogger. So welcome to my channel. So for today, I'll be showing you guys this amazing product. This is the Nimble Milk Buster Baby Bottle Cleaner. So here you go. Ayan. This is a baby bottle cleaner and this is super easy to use. Papakita ko sa inyo. This Nimble Baby Milk Buster comes in two sizes. It has a travel size and also this 200 ml na size, and it has 400 or it can do 400 washes. So ayan siya, and this is also plant-based. And if you're asking, this is made in UK. Yes, United Kingdom to guys. So ang ganda ng nozzle niya and super easy to use and easy to grip din, lalo na if you have small hands like me. So yeah, ganyan siya. Madali siyang gamitin. And then the nozzle looks like this. Yan. And it has or it can do 400 washes. And this can be used on baby's utensils. You can use it on bottles, cups. So it comes separately like this, just the bottle. And then meron din siyang package na kasama yung wand. So this is a silicone brush. And sobrang sturdy na ito. Ayan yung itsura ng bristles niya. Yan. And may grip din siya dito. Or may hand. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys kung paano siya gamitin. And let's start with this cup. So this is a used cup. May milk siya sa loob. Then what you just need to do is just add a little water. Here. Kahit konti lang. Then spray. You can spray 2 times or 3 times depending kung ano talaga yung kailangan nyo. Then you can rinse it with, can use a sponge. Then rinse it like that. Yan. All done. Yun lang siya kabilis. And can you hear that? Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Can you hear this? And you can see how much yung milk na nasa loob nung kanina. Then right now, look. Squeaky clean ka agad. I love it. So, ayan. Mararamdaman mo naman if there is milk residue, pero wala na. And it smells clean talaga. So that's for the cup. So now we're going to the milk bottle here. So you can see na it has milk residue. Yan. So what we're going to do is add a little water. Yan. And then spray 2 times. And then, one way is, you close it, tapos you shake. So, until you feel na contented ka na with shaking it and no residue is left, or residue is left. Yan. There. And then, just rinse it. Can you hear that? See? And then for this one. Grabe. Okay. So that's one easy way of using this Nimble Baby. And then, yan, look ko. So another way of using the Nimble Milk Buster is this. So you just... Here's a dirty bottle. Just add water. Then spray. This. You can add more. Then you can use the wand here. Just use it like this. Like so. There. Narinig nyo kung gaano siya makalinis. Here, oh. There. You sit there. And then, for the nipple naman, what I do is I spray it with this. Yan. Just one. Then use the one again. There. So, look, oh. Then, if you want to clean the outside as well, you can just spray it like that. Easy. Super easy. Then, the others, para if you want to save water, and lalo na kapag nagta-travel ka or wala kayo sa bahay or nagmamadali ka, you can use what's in here sa loob to rinse the other parts of the bottle. Yan. So there you go. Yan, super clean na yan. Smells really clean. And you can hear it then, oh. Also this one. You can hear it like this, oh. Kung gaano siya kalinis. And then here too. Diba? Linis na. And there you go. You're all done. So there's a third way wherein if you don't have this wand, you can use your own sponge and brush. So just put a little water. Then spray. And you can use your sponge to clean the bottle. Ayan. And you can use yung water na nagamit nyo dito sa loob to clean the others too. Then, just use your own. Ayan. Like so. Diba? Sobrang daling gamitin. I swear. So, just rinse. And you're all done. Ganun lang siya kadali. So, how to order this Nimble Milk Buster? You can just go to their Instagram account. I'll post it here. Instagram or Facebook account. And just send them a message kung ano yung order nyo and all the details. You can pay online then. And they're also available at Lazada and also Shopee. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and also follow me on my social media accounts. I'll flash it here. There. So see you guys there. Let's connect. And I hope to see you on my next videos. Thank you for watching and please stay safe. Bye!